to run A and B tests in Instantly.ai. Step 1. From your dashboard, go to the campaigns and select the campaign you want to test. Step 2. Inside the campaign, open your email sequence. For any email, you'll see an option to add a variation. Create 2 or more versions. This could be different subject lines, opening lines, or even the full body. Step 3. Instantly will automatically split your leads between the variations, so half of your audience might see the version A and the other half will see the version B. Step 4. After sending, go to the analytics dashboard to see which version performed better. Look at key metrics like open rates, reply rates, and click-through. Step 5. Once you know the winner, keep the variation and roll it out across your campaign to maximize engagement. So that's it.